How to fix unable to log in Grindr. Hey guys, and let's get started. Check out some of the troubleshooting steps if you are facing the issue. For the general login troubleshoot, ensure that you're using the latest version of Grindr application. For this, open your Play Store or App Store and then check if you have the latest version of Grindr installed or not. If there is an update button, make sure to tap on it to download the latest version. The next step is check if you are in a region where Grindr is blocked due to governmental restrictions or not. This could also cause you to unable to log in or sign up. For the third option, long press the app and go to app info. Force stop the application if it is running and go to storage and cache. Clear the cache and clear the storage. Once this is done, reopen the Grindr application and try to log in. This should probably work. However, if it does not, restart your device. You can also try to uninstall the Grindr and install it once again. If the problem is with the specific Facebook or Gmail account, make sure that you enter your email address with the lowercase letters. Make sure that your login is case sensitive. Likewise, you can also try to clear all the application once and restart it. So these are some of the general troubleshoot that should help. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.